Hey guys, so I'm gonna do this really quick video. Super quick. Really quick. Hold on a second. Okay.
Well, what do you think a salad was? Okay.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna do this special kick for Rega, where you spin, jump, and you swing your leg like that. It's called the tornado kick. So I'm gonna show you guys it.
Now watch out because I gave you a ball.
If you guys haven't seen it, I'll do it one more time. So yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. Bye.